So here you can see I got error because of unmatched string. Okay, f string unmatched. Okay, so they have a single string, like single quotes in string has single quotes. Okay, so I also keep it and single quotes that it will match from the other nodes. Okay, so this is our first node. Okay, generate the story. So message equals to llm dot invoke. I'm going to ask write a one story, one sentence story premise about topic. Okay, so here you can see return a story message dot content. Okay, stage are used for memory. Okay, so here you can check this is for generate the story, this node for generate the story, and this node are used for check the conflict, like it has a exclamation. Okay, so this is exclamation and question mark. If question mark in state story and or exclamation in the story, so it will fail. Otherwise, if it does not have anything, any bad punctuation, then it will pass. That's why we return pass here. And this is for if 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 we successfully passed. Okay, then we need to go in next step, which is called the improve. So here this is the node for improve. Okay, here I'm going to pass state, and here message equals to llm dot invoke, and here enhance this story premise with vivid details. Okay, and here return the improve story message dot content, and this is for polish. Here I am going to create polish node. So add unexpected twist to the story. Okay, uh, improve the story. Okay, so these are the nodes for generate, check, fail, pass, improve, polish, and end. Okay, generate, check, improve, polish. Okay, this is this will handle pass and fail logic, check conflict. Okay, now I need to run this. Okay, now after this I need to create a graph. Okay, so here build graph. Okay, so here graph equals to state graph. Okay, so here we are going to add a nodes generate, improve, or polish. This one generate, improve, and polish. Okay, so this is the nodes we are going to add inside graph. Okay, generate, improve, and polish. And here you can see generate a story for this function, and improve, and function is improve story, this one. So we are going to call this node here improve story and polish story. Okay, so here these are the nodes that we can build our graph. Okay, after defining nodes, now I need to define edges. So here control C, control V. For edges, I have this one. Okay, so you can see graph dot edges start. This will start and start, and what is start and this one here. This is the first step start, that we can start and generate. Okay, here you can see start and generate, and we are going to define condition here. So that's why we are going to apply graph dot condition edges here. Okay, so here you can see after generate it will check that it will pass. If it is pass, then we need to improve it and polish it. Okay, otherwise it will fail, then we can regenerate it. Okay, so here fail in column generate, and pass then we can improve it if it is passed. Okay, so this is for another. Here you can see this generate and generate the conflicts. So here this is for start and this is generate, and here we are going to check conflicts like it has bad punctuation or not. Okay, we are going to check. If it is fail, then we can going to again generate it and pass if it is improved. Like if it is pass, then we improve and polish and end. Okay, so here where here, and after this we need to add edges, improve and polish, and graph dot as edges, add edges, polish and end. Okay. Hmm. Now I am going to compile our graph. Okay, so here I need to copy it, this one, for compile the graph, then paste it here. No, and I'm not going to touch this. Okay, so here you can see I'm going to compile our graph. Okay, so compile graph equals to graph dot compile, and here for visualization graph image equals to compile graph dot get graph image in marmot png. Okay, and display image graph image. Okay, that we got image here. Okay, here you can see start generate. Okay, start generate, these are the node. Here start and generate. Generate, if it is pass, improve, polish and end. If it is pass, here improve and polish and end. Improve, polish and end. Otherwise if it is fail, then it will go back to the generate. Okay, now I'm going to run the graph. State equals to topic agentic AI system, and result equals to compiled graph dot invoke state. So here uh, uh, I need to uncomment this. So I got result here. Okay, so topic is agentic AI system, and story in this in the in the near future the emergence of a highly advanced agentic AI system named Previous, capable of autonomous decision making and self awareness. Okay, so these are the content which I got. This is the topic and this is the story. Okay, now I'm going to print improve story and polish story. So here this will improve and polish story. So here this is the improve story. This one in the area of 2055 world witnessed the emergence of Erebus. Okay, so this is for improve story, and here I also have polish. Where is the polish? Improve story and polish story. Okay, we haven't print polish story. We have final story. In result, you can see here. Uh, polish story, polished. So you can get here. Okay, I need to remove this. I need to print it one by one. Okay. This is for improve story, and here I need to. Okay, so here this is for improve story, and this is for polish the story. Okay, so here you can see this is for polish and this is for improve. What if true purpose? Okay, now so guys, topic has been finished. So you can see here I'm going to revise uh, everything again. So prompt chaining. Okay, so this is the workflow of prompt chaining. Like if you have a prompt, like if you have task and you want to divide it into a different smaller task. So I mean prompt chaining with LangGraph allow you to divide a complex task into a smaller task and connected state. Okay, each node represents the specific action, and while the connection define how the information flow between the no those steps. Okay, so here we can divide our story in different tasks like gathering data, analyze data, and write the summary. Okay, so here working of this, first of all we need to create nodes, establish edges. Okay, execute the graph, and iterate if needed. Okay, like we can apply conditional logic or conditional edges. Okay, so here this is the flow I already explain it. Now you can see here we need to start and generate the story. Okay, and here you can see it will check if it is fail, then it will go back to the generate again. Okay, otherwise if it is pass, then it will polish of this story, and sorry, it will improve and polish the story and and goes to end. Okay, after this, here you can see we are going to load API key and model, and here this is the define that we can create our graph. Okay, these are these code for nodes that we can create different nodes. Okay, store, generate a story, check conflicts, improve story, and polish the story. Okay, and here we can build graph and add the nodes here, and this is for define the edges. Okay, and here this is for compile the graph. Okay, and we got graph in marmot image. Okay, and this is the topic, run the graph. Okay, so we are going to give provide here topic equals to agentic AI system and dot graph, compile graph dot invoke state, and this will give you this things. Okay, now here you can see I'm going to print improve story, and this is for improve story, and this is for polish story. I hope you like my video. Bye bye, take care.